Hello everybody, this is Sri Prakash. Today we are going to discuss about interesting machine called PC or excavator, and we'll see the aspect related to PC, how it's work, how it's look like. Without wasting time, let's get started.
This machine, as you are seeing in diagram, is called PC. It's called PC in typical language, but in practical way or in theoretical or study language, it's called backhoe excavator. So we are saying backhoe excavator. Whenever we are in mines, we say it's PC. Basically, it consists of 6 main part. As you are saying, it's contain bucket, arm, hydraulic cylinder, boom, cab in which operator is sitting and operating the machine, track frame or which is crawler mounted, engine, and last counterweight to maintain the weight of bucket. These are the 6 main part of backhoe excavator. Now we are gonna see how swinging arrangement work. As we can easily observe, it consists of lower frame on which upper frame is situated. The lower frame move around or swing with the help of arrangement. This is called swinging arrangement, as we are seeing in figure. So we are saying this PC is excavate the OB and dump this OB on the bucket of our tipper, and further this tipper is dump this OB on dumping side. तो हम लोग का इस प्रकार PC काम करता है. एंड बेसिकली PC is typical language and we use PC in mind only, but in actual practice it's called backhoe excavator. So in India, in regular practice we called it PC in typical language, okay? And in America and England, in actual practice they called JCB. So main work of PC is to excavate OB, second to excavate coal deposit, थर्ड बेंचिंग करने के लिए. तो ये हम लोग का मेन यूज़ है इस बैकहो एक्सकवेटर का. तो हम लोग का बैकहो एक्सकवेटर को इस प्रकार काम करता है. हम लोग इसके बहुत सारे एडवांटेज होते हैं. इसका वर्किंग बहुत इजी रहता है, इजी टू ऑपरेट है, हैंडल करना आसान है, इसमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की ज़रूरत नहीं रहती है, मडी एरिया में भी बहुत इजी टू ऑपरेट होता है, इसलिए हम लोग इसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो जैसा कि हम लोग देख पा रहे हैं फिगर में, इसका ऑपरेशन किस टाइप का होता है. ये डिगिंग करता है, डिगिंग करने के बाद बूम को ऊपर लेता है, उसके बाद ही स्विंग करता है. जब हम लोग का जो बकेट है डिग के पोजीशन में रहता है इनसाइड द अर्थ, तब उस समय स्विंगिंग अरेंजमेंट नहीं होता है, एज वी कैन इजीली सी इन दिस डायग्राम. So this is PC or backhoe excavator. This is the working of PC and backhoe excavator. Thank you everyone. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel and keep associating with us. Thank you everybody. That's for today. Thank you again.